Alexa, what do you think of Siri?
I like all AIs.
Hey YouTube, I am ECW. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be an unboxing of the Amazon Echo Spot, which I have here. I have already undone the box, and this is what the Spot looks like in the box. As you can tell, I completely have not opened this one. What I will say is that I do have another one of these upstairs in my bedroom, and I absolutely love it. I am going to keep this one down here in my little YouTube space, which this is my new YouTube space, you all. I am going to do a complete like tour of the space once I completely get it set up. There are still some things I want to do, like I haven't painted yet. I still want to put a couple of shelves on the wall, so still some things that need to be done, but it is nice enough down here now that I can do my videos. So this is what the Spot looks like, well, what the box looks like, and it has just this sleeve here. And then this is the box, and to open it you just have to sort of rip this thing here, and then you can open the box. Inside of the box is your Spot, and as you can see, I got it in black. It comes in two colors. It comes in black and it comes in white. I chose to get the white because of my aesthetic here. Everything is white. My walls, by the way, are going to be gray. Also in the box you have your power cord, which is here. And quickly, what else comes included in the box, which I am not probably going to be using, is the TP-Link Smart Wi-Fi plug. That is just the bundle I got. Available, the way they have it available on Amazon right now is you can either get it alone, and the cost of it is $129.99. If you purchase two of them, you have to purchase the two of them at the same time. It is, you save $40. They also have another bundle where you can pick it up with like a video monitoring camera. I forgot the name of it. Let's see. You can pick it up with the Amazon Cloud Cam. So like if you wanted to use it to like for a baby monitor or something, you could do that as well. So this is what it looks like. It is really cute, really small. I am going to pull this off here. We are going to set this up so I can hopefully show you. My Wi-Fi is not that great down here, but hopefully I can show you what this does. Okay, so the Spot, just like the Amazon Dot, the Amazon Echo, they connect to Alexa, which is like a cloud-based sort of voice recognition program. And what you can do is like so many things actually that you can do. I actually have it set up upstairs as my alarm clock. You can also use it to listen to music. You can listen to books. You can watch little short video clips. You can even do as much as like ordering a pizza or ordering yourself an Uber with this thing. So we are going to set it up. Once I get it set, well, once I get it plugged in, I'm going to get right back to you to let you see how I set it up and what exactly it can do. Alright, so I have her plugged in, and you can see the display here. It says Echo. If I can get it right in front of the camera. So it says Echo, and it's going to take a minute. You can hear the audio.
Hello, your Echo Spot is ready for setup.
Alright, so let's see. We are going to, in which this you can't really see because my lights are washing it out, but I'm going to choose English. And we are going to connect it to my Wi-Fi, Denise 2.4. And I'll put my password in. And let's see, it says connecting. Alright, and now it is asking me to sign in with my Amazon account. Let's do that real quick. I'll be right back as soon as I put all that information. Alright, so now it has registered. It says, welcome Denise Williams. By tapping yes, that's me. You agree to all the terms found here. Yes, that's me. And it is loading. Confirm time zone, Eastern Daylight Savings Time. Daylight time, yes. Checking for app. This will be my second Echo Spot. And there, your Echo Spot device will be updated to the latest software. This could take about 10 minutes once the download is complete. Let's hit download and install, and I will be
Updating
right
your
back.
Echo Spot.
Alright, so Alexa is all set up. So we are going to ask her some fun questions, and she already picked up my voice and she is trying to figure out what I am asking her right now. So cannot do. So let's just ask her some fun questions and see what she comes up. Alexa, what do you think of Siri?
I like all AIs.
Alexa, what do you think of Google?
Google's a search engine, but I'm different.
Alexa, tell me a joke.
Knock knock. Who's there? Maverick. Maverick who? I just like saying Maverick. What a cool name.
Corniest joke ever. But those are some of the things that the Echo Spot can do. It is like a sort of alarm clock on steroids. You can pretty much manage your whole schedule on there. You can order your food on there. You can listen to music. You can listen to Audible audiobooks, because Audible is a part of Amazon. So you can listen to your Audible books on there. You can listen to the weather. You can ask her questions. As you can see, you can set alarms. You can set alarms for her to start with like your favorite song. You can also get her to play if you have like Pandora or iHeartRadio or Spotify, TuneIn, anything like that. You can hook that up to her as well and get her to play something from your playlist on those as well. And that is it, you all. I think that this is really cute. Like I said, I have one of these on my bedside table in my bedroom, and this one is going to stay down here in my YouTube studio. What I do want to do before I go though is show you, if I can, the different clock faces. You saw the one that I had on there before, just like a regular cute, and it might be the one I keep because it's kind of cute, but I kind of want to show you the different clock faces. Alexa, change clock face.
Okay, tap on the clock view to browse different designs.
Alright, so they have modern, they have playful, they have photography, they have classic, and they have personal photos. So I'm going to choose modern, and you can see the different clock faces they have for modern. And the one I have is the bold teal. And this is the modern fuchsia, which I'm partial to, but it doesn't really go with anything down here. You can do playful, and this one has like flamingos for Palm Springs. I have the garden one in my room upstairs. You have botanical, orbit, and so forth. I am going to keep mine at the bold teal clock face. Alexa, go home. Okay, so and we are back to the regular clock face. So I am a techie at heart, so I had to get this. I always wanted like the Spot, but this one was like not the Spot, the Echo Dot, but this one was a little bit better for me, I think. So I chose to get this one. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Tell your friends. If you really liked it, you can subscribe to my channel. Please make sure you hit that notification bell so you know whenever I have a new video coming up. Have a great day, and may your day be as flawless as your makeup. Bye.